Alright, in this video I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fix my rusted out crossmember. It actually holds the gas tank and the shock. So what you want to do is remove the upper bolt of the shock, remove the gas tank, and you're gonna have to remove the old crossmember. All the way through. So the way I removed the old crossmember, I started out with a cutting disc like this one. You just go all around, cut it as flush as you can everywhere, remove that part. Then you want to switch to a sanding disc, and you're gonna go and grind everywhere around until you can see the weld from the old pipe. And then I used a Dremel with a carbide tip to remove what was left, so I can fit in a new 3-inch pipe. All the way through. So now you want to cut that pipe to the correct length. I took the old rusted out piece, cut off the mount for the shock. It's a bit of work, but just cut around it. Fits perfectly over a 3-inch pipe, exterior diameter. And then I may cut the exhaust and the gas tank bracket too, or I may just do a custom one. I'll see there. To remove the crossmember also, I forgot to say, on the inside, just use a Sawzall with a good heavy blade. Cut it flush on the inside. And that's it. Alright, we've got the new pipe welded in. Welded on both sides. Now we're gonna weld the shock mount. As you can see, it's already cleaned up. The mount's gonna go right on there. So I measured before cutting, and from the inside of the frame to the outside of the bracket were 2 3/4 inches. And from the top of the frame rail to the top of the bracket were 7/8 of an inch. So I'll just put a straight edge across the frame and measure to the top of the bracket. Now, as you can see, the bottom is pretty rusted out. And on this side, I've got a pretty big gap on the bottom. But I got a pretty good weld on the outside, on each side. So to do a really good job, I would plate it and reinforce it. But for my use, it's just an old truck. It's only got to last a couple more years, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like that. Maybe do it later, we'll see. Well, here we have the shock mount and the exhaust mount done too. Here we have it, final product. The gas tank strap mount is welded on. And on this side, I just drilled a hole in the pipe, welded a nut, and the stock bolt was long enough. So that's it for this fix.